Kung mahilig ka sa sulit staycations, let's do it. Kasi eto, may hotel sa QC na may free water spa once mag-check-in ka. Matagal ko nang napupuntahan tong building na to for badminton, pero swear, di ko alam na may hotel pala sa loob. Kaya sabi ko kay Raiden, tara, try natin. We booked the king room via Agoda. From 9.5 naging 3.2 na lang to. Tapos gamit ko pa yung code ko na Agoda Scout para mas masulit. Nung umakyat kami sa 9th floor, doon ko lang nalaman bakit di ko napapansin to dati. Nasa taas pala yung lobby. Ang ganda pa ng wooden carving sa wall, parang early banknote. Injured pa ako during this visit and mabait yung staff. Nag-offer pa sila ng wheelchair. Small thing pero na-appreciate ko talaga. Pagpasok namin, malinis, modern and cozy. Big bed, mini couch, and smart TV which is a plus for me. And yes, may bathtub dito. Kompleto yung basics, fridge, kettle, free coffee and tea, slippers, safety box, toiletries, and everything else. Pero eto talaga yung highlight, free access sa water spa, walang ekstrang bayad, sabihin mo lang room number mo. This building is a whole lifestyle center, badminton, bowling, wall climbing, billiards, boxing, dance, pool, movie house, as in marami. Kasama ang breakfast for two dito simple buffet pero sakto pang start ng araw. Sobrang accessible din nito, walking distance from Jemmy Kamuning MRT and near Cubao at Tomas Morato. Here's the budget we had for this trip. And para maklaim yung discount sa Agoda, just open the Agoda app, tapos deals, tapos coupon. Type nyo lang Agoda Scout for hotels or Scout Agoda for activities. Claim nyo muna bago mag-book para sure na pasok ang discount. Valid siya for 7 days sa deals tab. So kung trip nyo ang sports, spa at sulit staycations, check out nyo na ang VS Hotel. And if gusto nyo pa ng maraming trips and recommendations, let's do it with me. Let's do it with Jules. See ya!